So many of us want to turn back the hands of time, and I have good news for you because we're going to chat with a guest today who is going to help us do that. Dr. Binamira is joining us. We're at OneCareSpa in Hilton Head. It's so nice to see you. Thanks for having us.
No, thank you. Thank you for coming. I appreciate that.
This is such an exciting day because I'm getting to experience what is happening right here, and there's a lot going on. I want you to share with viewers a little bit about what this place is and why you started it.
Well, so this all started, I'm an internist here in Hilton Head for 13 years, and I have One Care Clinic, which is just downstairs. And I've always wanted to dive into the field of aesthetics. If you go through the whole space here, I've designed this myself. I've put in the wallpaper myself. My staff has helped me pick the colors and so forth. And so that came into the vision there that, hey, you know, we've been doing a great job in the clinic taking care of our patients. So right now we want to transform your health and beauty from within.
And there's a lot of ways to do that, I'm learning. So I would love for you to give our viewers a little bit of an overview about what is it that people come to you for? What problems or issues or things are they seeing? Sure. And then how do you solve those problems for them?
Sure. So the best way for me to describe that is how it's been going on right now. So, you know, I see my patients in the clinic, I see them for their diabetes, and then at the end of the visit, they know the spa is there, and they ask me, hey, Dr. B, I have this fine lines and wrinkles around my lips. Is there something I can do for that? And I said, certainly. There's a lot of things we can do for that. There's some hyperpigmentations on their skin from sun damage. So those are the other things that we can do with laser genesis and laser treatment for that. The fine lines and wrinkles with microneedling. The deeper lines will have fillers. The deeper wrinkles will have your Botox. So we have all of these procedures and services that we offer here in OneCareSpa for pretty much everything that you will need for your face and your body that is non-surgical. So that is the key there. So we don't do surgical procedures. Probably the most surgical procedure we do would be the microneedling. And I'll get to that in a few. But we offer the patient a free consultation. That way, when we see them and really sit down on what their needs are, then we can really give them the procedure that is best for their needs and for their skin. So
yeah, I think that's really smart because I went to the website, and I'll encourage our viewers to do that. You can see all of the different things that are offered here and how they might help you, but you may not know what is going to be the best treatment for you. And you may have downtime to consider and things of that nature. So having that consultation, I think, is really helpful. You get the big picture from somebody who really understands the machines and the technology.
Definitely, especially the lasers, because this time of the year is the best time for the lasers because you're heating the face up, so you don't want to be exposed a lot to the skin. So a lot of times during the summer months, you don't want to do those procedures as much. But there's other ways and means to overcome that as well. So this time of the year is the time to come in for laser treated skin imperfections.
Yeah, and I think we're going to spend some time diving into some of the specifics there as well and get to see some of the technology.
Yes,
but wanted to just really kind of understand what it is that OneCareSpa is all about. And we've got to head to break in just a few seconds, but you have a lot of experience. I wanted to make sure we touch on that before we head out.
Sure, yes, definitely. I've been a physician for 26 years, and I've been researching on the best equipment for the last 3-5 years or so, picking in the best one for our patients. We made sure that we have every equipment available for every skin imperfection you have, not only for the face, but we have our TrueScope True ID for fat reduction. Everybody always hates this thing on your chin, and we have something for that. I use that on myself, and I'm very happy with the results as well. And most importantly is really how I want to incorporate this with our clinic downstairs is we have what we call Health 360, which wherein we will also incorporate eating healthy. That's why we have a full kitchen here in OneCareSpa, because we will be doing some cooking lessons. So that's what makes us different from all the other spas, is having that internal medicine downstairs with a backup for your healthcare needs as well.
You get to look good and feel good.
Exactly.
It's all important.
Yes.
Well, I'm so glad that you're here and that you had us here to share some of this with our viewers. We appreciate you.
Well, thank you so much. Thank
Dr.
you so much. I
Binamira, it's
appreciate
been a
that.
pleasure. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be right back.